Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. First things first, you want to start by visiting the game's official website by searching for its name. Once here, just scroll down and locate the PC download option, among others. Then just click on it to initiate the download. Once the installation finishes, just click Run Now. However, if you face an insufficient space on disk message, just click Confirm and then Change, and opt for a location like Desktop with adequate space and confirm your selection once again. Now that you have selected a suitable installation folder, just click Install. And after the game installs, just launch it and you are all set to start playing your Genshin Impact. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.